Hi Schubert friends, welcome to our new video. My name is Martin and today I like to show you our SCH communication system. Into our video I like to show you the features of the SCH. I like to show you how to pair your mobile phone with the communication system, using the app, using DMC Mesh and as well using Bluetooth intercom. First of all, I like to explain about the features of the SCH communication system. The SCH is equipped with Bluetooth 5.2, so you can connect various Bluetooth devices, like your mobile phone or a GPS navigation system, TomTom, Garmin or from BMW. You can as well connect your motorbike and you can use DMC Mesh, which ensure the connection to other Cardo devices which support DMC Mesh. As well, you have the option to use Bluetooth intercom to other Cardo devices and to the SC2 or other Sena devices. Let's unbox the SCH. Open the box and you will find as well the main unit and the remote control. Additionally, you will find a microphone inside the box, the USB-C cable to get it charged, and replacement coin battery for the remote control, an additional foam cover for the microphone, and the coin battery. Let's install the coin battery into the remote control. Make sure plus is looking to the bottom. Open the rubber cover of the remote control and put the battery in. That's it. Now we can start to install the communication system on the helmet. You need of course the main unit, the remote control and as well the microphone. Antenna cables, speakers, and on our S3 the microphone is already pre-installed. So if you have an S3, you don't need the microphone from the box. Let's go ahead. First of all, remove the cover from the remote control. To do so, lift the cover and move it backwards. With the cover, you can remove the cover for the main unit. To do so, put the cover between the finishing edge and the cover, press it a bit, and remove the cover. On the SCH you will find one antenna cable, which is for both DMC Mesh and as well for intercom. On the helmet you will find two antenna cables, one for the Bluetooth intercom antenna and one for the mesh antenna. With the SCH you need only to connect one antenna cable. To install the device, pull on the holder for the antenna cables and remove the rubber cover from the upper cable. Now connect the antenna cable with the antenna cable from the helmet and push it back into the helmet shell. To install the device, take care for the upper side first and secondly for the lower edge. Press it downwards. When you hear the clicking, the main unit is installed well. Now go ahead with the remote control. Put the remote control flat onto the helmet and move it forward. When you hear the clicking, the remote control is installed securely. Next step is to install the microphone. Open the chin part, remove the cover for the microphone and install the microphone. Note, there is an arrow on the microphone and you need to be sure that arrow is placed directly in front of your mouth. Now the SCH is ready to get it used. First of all, I like to show you how to get your SCH paired with your mobile phone. To do so, switch on the SCH by tapping the button once, and you will hear the voice prompt that the device is enabled. Next step is to set the SCH in the pairing mode for Bluetooth. Press the button 5 seconds, you will hear the voice prompt, and as well the LED is blinking red and blue.
Phone pairing.
Now go to your phone settings, switch on Bluetooth and look for the SCH.
Phone connected.
When the mobile phone is successfully connected with the SCH, you will hear the voice prompt. After that, you can use the Cardo Connect App. The Cardo Connect App is available in the Play Store and as well in the Apple Store. You need to tap on the app to open it, and it will ask if you like to pair your mobile phone with the communication system. And after a few seconds, it will be connected. Note, when you use the Cardo Connect app the first time, you need to create an account. Don't worry, the app will guide you to do so. However, in the app you have different settings. As well, on the main screen and on the upper left corner you will see the device settings. First, you can set the language of your device. As well, you have different audio profiles, like bass boost for example. Additionally, you can select and adjust the different audio settings and voice levels. You can set the different volume settings like phone calls, music, FM radio and as well intercom. For future details, please check the user manual. In case of there is a firmware update available for the SCH, you can install the firmware update via your mobile phone. To do so, open the app, click on the SCH, check the software version, and you will find in that screen if there is an update available. I like to show you how it works with the dynamic mesh communication with the SCH. First of all, you need to switch on Rider A and Rider B communication system. As a next step, to initiate the grouping between Rider A and Rider B, you need to press the lower center button on the remote control for 5 seconds. You will hear the voice prompt grouping initiated.
Grouping initiated.
Same on the second device.
Grouping initiated.
After a few seconds, the devices will connect to each other and the LED will switch to purple. Immediately after that, you will be able to talk to each other. Now you can connect and PackTalk Edge if you like, or any other Cardo communication system which support DMC. To do so, you need to set one unit again in the pairing mode by pressing the lower center button for 5 seconds until you hear the voice prompt grouping initiated and you can see the LED is green and red.
Grouping initiated.
So switch on the Cardo PackTalk Edge and as well here press the upper button until the LED is blinking red and green. When the connection is successfully, you can immediately start your conversation. After we have shown you how it works with the dynamic mesh communication and the SCH, we like to show you now how it works if you use the SC2 communication system and the SCH communication system via intercom. To do so, switch on the SC2, Tap 2 to 3 times on the remote control. As well, switch on the SCH. And now set the SC2 in pairing mode for intercom by pressing the upper center button for 5 seconds. If your SCH was before in the DMC mode, switch to the intercom mode by pressing the upper and the lower center button. To set the pairing mode on the SCH, press the lower center button. You need to press it for 5 seconds until you hear pairing initiated.
Pairing initiated.
When the connection is successfully, you will hear that rider A is connected and you can immediately start your conversation. With the intercom pairing between the SC2 and the SCH, we came to the end of the SCH tutorial. Thanks for watching the video, and please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye and see you again.